Hello everyone. So today we'll be looking at the extraocular muscles, their actions as well as their nerve supply. So firstly I'll be drawing the diagram of the extraocular muscles. So this is on the top, this is on the lower side, this is the lateral and the medial side. This is on top and this is on the bottom again. So to label, this is the lateral rectus, this is the superior rectus, this is the inferior rectus, this is the medial rectus. And now quickly moving on to the actions, we have the primary, secondary and tertiary. So I missed out a few, that is the inferior oblique muscle as well as the superior oblique. So let me quickly write down the names, the rectus muscles, and then we have the obliques. Now moving further, before introducing the actions, I'll define them. So this is elevation, which refers to the upward movement of the eye. Next we have the depression. This is the downward or the lower movement of the eye. Next we have intorsion, which is the internal rotation of the eye, and extorsion, that is the outward rotation of the eye, that is towards the medial side it rotates and it's away from the medial side. Next we have the adduction, which basically means pull towards the medial side, and then we have the abduction, which is the pull towards the lateral side. Now to quickly write it down, the superior rectus, the main function is to elevation. Next we have intorsion and then adduction. To make it easier, I'll draw a few symbols so that it's easier to understand. Next muscle we are going to talk about is the inferior rectus. Inferior rectus shows depression, extorsion as well as adduction. So the adduction factor remains same in the superior and the inferior rectus, but the primary and the secondary function differ. Now in the medial rectus it is adduction and the lateral rectus being abduction. Adduction is towards. Now superior oblique functions is intorsion, depression and abduction. In the superior and inferior we saw it's adduction, whereas here it is abduction. Hopefully the arrows are making it simpler. Next we have inferior oblique with the primary function extorsion, then elevation and abduction. To quickly look at the function, it is superior rectus, it helps in elevation, then the inferior rectus, depression. Next we have adduction, abduction, intorsion and extorsion. Next we are looking at the nerve supply. The nerve supply, the beautiful mnemonic is LR6SO4R3. So this is the lateral rectus, which is by the 6th cranial nerve, superior oblique by the 4th cranial nerve, and then we have the rest of the muscles by the 3rd cranial nerve. So before looking at what these cranial nerves are, I'll be recapping the entire 12 cranial nerves. So this will be a useful revision as well. So first one, olfactory, then optic, oculomotor, trochlea, trigeminal, then we have the abducent, we have the facial, the vestibulocochlear, the glossopharyngeal, the vagus, the accessory nerve, then hypoglossal nerve. Now moving ahead and matching this with the mnemonic. So firstly we had the lateral rectus, that is LR6, that is for the abducent nerve. Next looking at the superior oblique, which is the 4th cranial nerve, that is nothing but the trochlea nerve. Next we are looking at the other muscles, that is the 3rd cranial nerve, that is nothing but the oculomotor nerve. So that forms our topic. Now just recapping, this is extraocular muscles. We spoke about these muscles. That is the superior oblique, the all the rectus muscles, and then also the oblique muscles. Next we spoke about the actions. That is elevation, moving upward, depression, moving down, intorsion, moving towards the medial side, extorsion, away from the medial side. Then we have the adduction and abduction. Adduction is towards the medial side, abduction is away from the medial side. Next we have the superior rectus, main function elevation, inferior rectus depression, medial rectus adduction, then abduction, then intorsion and extorsion by the superior obliques and the inferior oblique. Next, the nerve supply LR6, SO4, R3, self-explanatory, that is the lateral rectus by the 6th. Next, we spoke about all the cranial nerves, that is, there are 12 and they are very important to know. Next, we have that is again the lateral rectus 6th, superior rectus 4th, and the other muscles 3rd. As abducent, trochlea, and oculomotor nerves respectively. Thank you. Please do subscribe. We do have a Telegram and a WhatsApp group. If interested, please do let us know. Thank you. Have a great day.